Hello guys, welcome to Engineers Our World. And in previous videos we discussed about extrude and extrude cut. Okay, now we are discussing about revolve options. Okay, and first of all, what is revolve? Okay, a revolve means like if you found in real time. In real time means in real world, if you found any kind of object like circular objects, like piston. Piston is a circular object. Any cylinders or tubeless roll or see bulb, etc., like this. See, if you want any kind of circular objects in real time, you want to create in them in a software, then use revolve option. Okay, to do this, first of all select this revolve basic. Okay, select sketcher. Okay, and before going to the what is called complete sketcher, first make sure one center line. Okay, this center line will helpful to create revolve option. Okay, and this center line will act as a center axis of your object. That means if your center line is vertical, okay, the object will revolve about the vertical axis. If it is in a horizontal, the object means the sketcher, whatever the sketcher you created, that it will revolve about the horizontal axis. If it is inclination, the object will revolve about inclination. Okay, chalo, let me tell you one simple basic example of your object. Okay, and you have created one rectangular box like this from the center line, and you have given this as a dimensions. Okay, and you created a one sketcher from the center line on the center line. That means your sketcher is started from the center line itself. Okay, and now you're giving exit option, and now go to the features, select revolve option. This is how you're going to create revolve option. So okay, by checking this, even if you found with different option like extrude, by using this extrude option also, you can make sure you can create this object like this. That means if you go with the extrude option, if you create circle there, and if you use this extrude option, okay, you will get this object. Okay, if you have any doubts like regarding this, then check the previous videos regarding extrude part. Okay, but so what is the difference between extrude and revolve? By using extrude option also I'm able to create this object. Then why should we use this revolve option? Before that, I'm just telling you about revolve is a basic option. In coming next 2 to 3 videos, I'll give you the complete clear explanation about this revolve, because it is not possible to discuss all those conditions and everything in single video. Okay, so just I have given brief idea about this, how revolve will function. And in next video, I'll let you know that if I create the object in center axis in a horizontal direction, how it will work. If it is in a inclination direction, how it will work. If it is in a distance, how it will work. I'll show you all those options in next coming 2 to 3 videos. Okay, so don't miss my videos, and thank you. Thanks for your support.